Jason and Ellie's my partner, she's at work at the moment. We were in Merton on 15 acres here, surrounded by cattle grazing country. We're about just over 2 k's from the main highway where there is power, and it would have cost us a lot of money, probably $200,000 to get the power to the property. So going off grid was our only option really. When we first contacted Commodore, we told them what we wanted to do, and they recommended we went for something that was able to be upgraded later down the track. So we've got it fitted to our shed and we live in there while we're waiting for our permit to go through and then build our home, and then we can add to this system to accommodate a 3 to 4 bedroom house. So the infrastructure's there for that. We just need to add some batteries and some panels. Not only are we building the house, we're also building a fairly large shed, and we will be running 2 MIG welders. And so when Commodore installed this system, they also included what was required later for us to add more things to the system to run those welders. And included in that was a diesel generator. I think it's about a 10 kVA diesel generator that'll kick in at 35% and take the batteries up to 65, and then the sun will kick in after that. We've tested the system out by running as many things as we can to see how it copes. Like we've had 2 heaters going, boil the jug, had the toaster on in the microwave to see if the system can cope with it, and it did. We've only ever drained it down to 31% of battery capacity, and we had a electric heater running for 6 hours through the night. So it was about probably 12 degrees outside, and we were sitting on a comfortable 22 degrees in the van. And that was the only time it's ever gotten down to that percentage. A day like today, we'll be at 100% nearly all day today. It'll just keep ticking over. So we're wrapped with it as far as that goes. We've only ever, other than the heater, running the heater for that 6 hours, we would probably we'd have 2 fridges running all the time, and the television, if we're watching the football or a movie at night, we'll boil the jug 2 or 3 times throughout the night as well. We run a computer and a printer, and it's a big printer because my partner's a photographer. The only issue we had was with the heater, running it for that period of time, so we know not to do that now. But once we get the other batteries and more panels, then that won't be a problem. The installers were great. They were on time. They turned up at the time of the day, on the day that they said they would. It was done and dusted in 1 day, so we're very, very happy with the installation, and the unit itself, we can't fault it.